The last requirement for the building permit in the aspect of plumbing system is storm drain system. Storm drain system. So those are the three. I always repeat. This is the fourth time that I repeat this. No? And actually, the fourth requirement of OBO is isometric plan. No? So those are the four important. Okay. No person shall install these connections as required by the code, and for which other applications and permits are also required from other agencies before approval by the administrative authority. What is administrative authority? This is the office of the building official in charge with plumbing. Okay? Without approval, nobody will have to make a permanent connection. Ulit ba? Kasi approval for the fifth time. Water supply, DWB, and storm drainage system. Okay. So, temporary connection, administrative authority will endorse to other authorities of government agencies the issuance of temporary connection of the plumbing equipment to the water supply chain, sewer main, power line, and gas main for the purpose of testing the equipment. So what is that? Temporary connection, meaning it is not a plumbing system, but those testing equipment that may necessitate other system for testing purposes. For example, air leak test. So we have air leak test after you install the plumbing system. There is a air leak test, and also water leak test, and pressure test. So those are some of the tests required. And if you are going to do that, you may need, for example, electric supply, power supply. So the power supply of electricity can be temporary. So that is what this code provision is talking about. Okay. So section 107, special provisions. All licensed master plumbers registered in accordance with the provision of RA 1378 shall secure for themselves a seal of the standard size and type as required. Licensed master plumbers shall themselves secure standard seal. The succeeding sentence pertains to the description of the seal. Okay? The seal should have the following information. So professional seal of registered master plumber. So it is supposed to be circular in shape. Okay. Inscription. There is inscription, meaning the lettering should be inscribed, and as such, it should be able to indent the paper. So what is inscribed? Registered and licensed master plumber at the upper portion of the round seal. So it is written here. Then next information, name of registered and licensed master plumber at the upper center. So our name are indicated here. Then third, the registration number shall appear at the center below the name. Center below the name. Okay. Center below the name. So number, registration number. So it is PRC number. And Philippines appearing at the lower portion of the round seal. So, Philippines.
Bas.
Right? That is the design. So, let's see. There is an inscription. Then, like that. And there is what? Drawing sketch of some symbols intended to be known as the plumbing profession. Okay? So the last section on the first chapter, section 108, plumbing fixture required. So even this one, hindi ito tsamba, it's not by chance. Okay? It is common to everyone. So plumbing fixture required. Each building shall be provided with sanitary facilities. So it is not under the authority of plumbing profession, but the building shall be required to have sanitary facilities. What is sanitary facilities? So this one, the disposal system and the treatment system. Sanitary engineer. Master plumber is inside the building. So most of the case, this is inside the building. So this is just the master plumber's authority. So this is now sanitary engineer authority outside the building. Okay. Okay. Because of this. If not for this, master plumber is also authorized up to this point. Right? But because of this sanitary provision, so that is sanitary facilities, in accordance with best practice for mobility of disabled person as provided in the National Building Code of the Philippines or other government agencies. So, it is not the building code, it is actually the accessibility law. Right? It is the accessibility law who provide this requirement. Okay. What do you mean by sanitary facilities? For mobility of disabled person. So, it is not just pertaining to this is sanitary engineer. However, provision for disabled person. Okay? According to accessibility law. So, what are those? Because sanitary engineers are for what? Intended for public health and welfare. So, this provision is not required for residential purposes. So, if there are going in and out of the building, which are what? Public, meaning they are not the owner of the building, they are not the occupant of the building. So that means additional special permit. So that is the last of the chapter 1.